Who built the church? It's Jesus. So God is the originator. God is the promoter. God is the creator of the church. Hindi po tao ang nagtayo. It is Jesus Himself. Sabi niya po, on this rock, I will build whose church? My church. Amen. And this church, itong church na binild ng Panginoon, this is a church that is indestructible. Even the gates of hell shall not prevail against this church that Jesus built. So this is indestructible and it will stand for eternity. Amen. So kung ganito pala ang karakteristik ng church na ito at ikaw ay miyembro at bahagi ng church ng Panginoon, you will also be indestructible and you will also stand for eternity. Amen. Because you are part of the church.